What's up guys, welcome back to the Tactical Game Room Channel. Today I am bringing you an unboxing and installation process on the POPSOCKET for your mobile devices, whether it be a phone or iPod or tablet, I guess, I don't know. But yeah, I have this one. This is the bag. And I will be installing it on just my iPod Touch. I'm not gonna put it on the phone because I have an already good case on it, so I'm gonna be putting it on this silicone case. So just put it on here. Hold on. Okay. iPod's in there. There's the back. And now it says I'll have to cut it. Scissors. See if we can fucking do this shit with fucking using scissors. So, fuck her up. There we go. Here's all right. Okay. Now, after a little struggle getting it out of there, here's what it looks like. Here's the back of it. Now, what you want to do is make sure your back is clean. Make sure it's clear of dust and all that stuff, like good stuff. And you want to take out this little sticker or plastic that's hiding the actual stickiness. So let me get it out of here. Alright guys, maybe made it easier. Here's the little plastic thing. This is what it should look like without it. Now, make sure you guys install it on where you guys really want it. Package says that you can reuse it multiple times. I'm not buying that because throughout time, the many times that you take it on and off, that's just gonna wear out the stickiness. So I would just think about where and then just leave it on there without taking it off, you know. But I'm just gonna put it in the middle of the iPod like so. Firmly press it. Let's see, put a little pressure, make sure it doesn't really come off. I don't know why it shouldn't. I'm not really gonna do any bad things with this, you know. Here we go. Now this is what it looks like. It adds that much thickness. This is with the case, so keep that in mind also. And now whenever you want to pop that little sucker out, you just pull it like so. There's that one. And two. There's that. There we go. And yeah, this is how it looks like. And yeah, there's that. Alright guys, well, there's the video, there's that, there's this little tutorial. I got many requests on how to install because people really don't know how to do it. So here you go. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll give this video a like, share this with your friends and fams, And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.